I'm
it's
gonna
not
post this on YouTube.
It's not a true Bruce party unless Dave Olvison has mooned somebody.
Not
Somebody
Bruce,
hold
though.
this.
Okay, it's a bit warm. I think my camera's getting a little warm.
Yeah.
You recording?
I'm melting!
Roy's recording the video.
Reese, stay away from it. It's hot. We'll take care of it later. We'll take care of it later.
She's definitely not liking you now.
No.
Oh,
Hot.
it's hot.
Oh, I threw it right on top of the table and fell in the fire.
Oh, look at that. Oh, the tree really ate that.
Look at that fire moving.
Yep. I gotta
It
get
looks like a heart almost.
It hurt.
But you know, it's had fires like that under it before and it survived. Seems to me last year when we burned the pool.
Couple
Seems
pools.
to me when we burned the pool, it was
Couple
flaming up
chairs.
pretty good.
I don't remember
Couple
burning no
chairs.
pools around here.
And when we burned the pool last year, when David's talking about that, when me and Brendan and Aiden were inside the pool with all the water in it, we were having a water fight and I was in my pajamas.
And a couple chairs we
Yep.
burned and
Yeah,
hi.
but there was some pretty good flame coming off of that pool
And
last
Riley
year.
and Phoenix came in.
Right.
Yep.
Then it started splashing Riley.
You got John recording each other. We better get Denise. Whoop, whoop.
I'm posting it on YouTube if you don't mind, Dad.
Why?
She posts it on YouTube. She's 9. What the frick?
Other people have YouTube accounts.
Figured out I had a YouTube account.
I don't
Yeah, I know. It's crazy.
Put the flash on top of the table.
No
Throw
more
these
flashes.
chairs in there.
No more
I mean like
flashes.
the fire color on top
Throw
of the
them
table.
chairs in there. What chairs? They're metal.
These metal chairs. These metal. These metal
No.
chairs.
Put 'em on
These
there.
are Jody's mom's.
You can always repaint them a different color or something. I feel like one of those people.
Mm-hmm.
Redneck? I don't know.
I am.
Redneck? You might be a redneck if you throw your coffee table on your bonfire.
Yeah, no kidding.
Yeah.
That wasn't one of his, but that'll be his next
If
one.
your basement gets flooded and you burn your coffee table on your bonfire, you just might be a redneck.
And then you film it, and then you film the other guy filming it too.
My phone is actually hot.
If your tree gets damaged because you were burning furniture on your bonfire, you might just be a redneck.
If you be that